In the soft and powerful vastness of the meandering river, they hide them. Or just let us catch a glimpse. Here an elbow, there an embankment, elsewhere a piece of wooded floodplain, or the turns of the coastal road.
The Ob Delta is the largest wetland in Italy. The geography of what is known as the Delta of the Seven Seas was slowly formed by the waves of the sea, a land without borders, constantly being redesigned by the water, a land in which the natural environment is incredibly rich in terms of biodiversity. The following figures provide us with a measure of the extraordinary variety that the Delta contains. More than 30 species of orchids are present among over 1,000 plant species, with numerous different ecosystems. The channels, sand dunes, lagoons, valleys, pine forest, and expanses of river are all home to a wide variety of plant and animal species that's unrivaled throughout Italy. The dozens of mammals, amphibians, reptiles, and fish that live and thrive in the Ob Delta even include several animal species that are in danger of extinction throughout the rest of Europe. The nuances that the combinations of land and sea assume within the Ob Delta are endless, and one might even happen upon natural habitats that are one of a kind worldwide, populated by protected bird and mammal species. There's the Mesala red deer, one of the 100 deer specimens recognized as genetically distinct from the other red deer populations present throughout Europe. There are so many protected species within the Biosphere Reserve that it is possible to encounter one every kilometer on average. In the Comacchio, Pozzatini, or Baiuna valleys, one might catch a glimpse of a spectacular flock of pink flamingos taking flight around sunset. Having established themselves throughout the entire delta since their arrival in the late 1990s, they make up one of the most populous colonies in all of Italy.